Hey everyone, this is John Schneider with Fargo 3D Printing here at CES 2017, and I'm here in the MakerBot booth with Bennett. So Bennett, tell us a little bit about 2016 for MakerBot. I know there's some changes that happened, a couple new products, just I guess go for that.
Yeah, really exciting year. We released 2 new products, the Replicator Plus, the Replicator Mini Plus, both completely re-engineered versions of the 5th gen, stuff we're really excited about in terms of catering to our core customers. Catering to educators, professionals who use this as a design tool, prototyping tool, something that needs to be reliable and easy. We think we cracked the code for them.
So what are some of the new features of the Replicator Plus? Because I know we have one in our shop.
Yep.
Definitely a big upgrade over the Replicator. I'd say probably what the Replicator 5th gen should have been when it released. So it's just nice to see this out. So
yeah, we're so excited about it. There's a lot of features, some of them more subtle than others. One I like to talk about from a visual standpoint is this new flexible build plate. So, we're all used to 3D printing and having to chop parts off the printer. My hands used to be covered with like cuts and PLA cuts were a common occurrence. Now we have this flexible build plate. You have your part, it finishes, you flex the bed, the part pops off, and you've got yourself a 3D print. So it's just much simpler, much more professional that way. But the printer's also 30% quieter, about 30% faster, about 30% bigger bed. You can see here it's 11.5 inches wide, so about a foot wide. So everything we've heard from customers in terms of it being loud, or it's not quite big enough, or it's not quite fast enough, we've tried to address, and I think we've done a really, really good job.
So what do you see moving forward into 2017 for MakerBot?
So continue to cater to the professionals and the educators. Do more things along the lines of Tough PLA, a material that's built to be a little bit more rigid, a little more durable. You can tap into without splintering like PLA. So thinking about the professional customer, MakerBot Print's evolved a lot, our new software. So we've taken, you now have the ability to import native CAD files right from SolidWorks or Autodesk into the MakerBot Print software. So developing Print to become more robust and continue to make it easier for the professionals to print.
All right. Well, very cool. Great hearing about 2016. Really looking forward to seeing what 2017 brings. So Bennett, thank you again for taking the time to talk with us.
Thank you, John. Yeah, great to be here.
I'm gonna get your badge. Just make sure I get stuff spelled right.
Good idea. Man, we have no other way to look that up.
I know.
I know.